Hi guys! Welcome to our channel Eat, Pray, Love, Travel, and right now we are here in Taipei, Taiwan, at nasa likod natin ang Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So it's our third day here, pero i-discuss ko muna sa inyo yung mga travel requirements if you're planning to go to Taiwan this 2024. Of course, yung inyong passport, unang-una na yan. Pangalawa is yung e-travel. It's a form na online na i-provide ninyo before leaving at least mga 72 hours before your flight. Okay, and then yung travel tax is 1,620 for adults, and then for kids is prorated siya. We got our travel insurance, 1,700 for 5 days stay here. For 2 na yon, so hindi naman siya required pero recommended syempre. And then upon arrival ng Taiwan, you have to fill up an immigration form na ibibigay ng flight attendant on board. So, pwede nyo nang i-fill up yun sa airplane para at least hindi na kayo mahirapan in terms of sulat-sulat at pila na lang. Kasi medyo ngayon, sobrang dami. As in like, sobrang daming tao sa Taiwan. Ang daming tourist. And marami ring tao sa immigration. Kasi sa immigration, first time na inabot kami ng at least an hour. Pila lang ng immigration. But of course, we did web check-in. Kaya, hindi na kami nahirapan dun sa pag check-in. Pero dun sa mismo immigration, sobrang hirap. Okay, and then pagdating nyo dito, meron ditong lucky land draw, which is may chance kayo manalo ng 5,000 Taiwan dollar. Ito na yung sobrang sikat na Taiwan, the lucky land area. So let's try our luck here. Ito ba yun? Ay!
I-scan mo.
Asan na? Ito ba?
Yan.
Ano ka na?
Hindi.
So guys, we're gonna try our
English.
luck. Ito pala. Tama ba?
Hindi yan.
Ito. Start. Ay, paano?
Yung QR code.
Ba't ayaw?
Ayan. Ayan ah.
Start. Nakakainis naman. Press, scan your... So, sada naman. Oh my gosh! Napaka naman. Grabe. Which unfortunately, hindi kami nanalo. Pero malay mo naman, try your luck. Ang dami-dami na rin kasing tourist ngayon na nagpupunta. So, parang siguro limited na lang. Unlike last year na sobrang dami talaga na nanalo. As in like, everyone nata nanalo. Parang ganyan, something like that. So, we'll put the link sa comment section kung ano yung... Kasi you have to register dun sa Lucky Land at least a week before your flight here in Taiwan. Para magsisend sila or magbibigay sa inyo ng QR code para at least you can provide that, and then ayun, pagdating ninyo, pila lang kayo doon and then sign, and then wish your luck. Kasi yun na nga, para malaman ninyo
Kung mananalo kayo. Sa case namin.
Sa case namin, wala. So, sayang 20k conversion, parang something like that. And that's it. So, yun na nga. A quick rundown lang. So, the passport, e-travel, and then travel tax. Yun lang basically sa Philippines. And then, pagdating nyo rito, travel immigration form, which you can also check din pala online. I will provide the link din dito sa comment section. So, pwede nyo i-provide yung physical na immigration form, and then pwede nyo rin i-provide yung online. So, that's it. And of course, try your luck sa Lucky Land Draw. And, ano nga pala, additional thing to put in mind, guys, if you're traveling here in Taiwan is you have to check for yung hotel na mag-a-accept ng walang credit card. Because we don't have credit card, so nagkaroon kami ng mga problema. Hindi naman problema actually, parang aberya lang. Pero wala pa naman kami dito noon. So, a week before, yung booking namin, originally, we're supposed to stay in Richardson? Midtown Richardson. But then, hindi sila tumatanggap ng debit card registration. So, si Agoda, I guess, kasi nung nag-transfer na kami ng iba-ibang klase ng debit card number or parang account, parang something like that, hindi pa rin nila in-acknowledge. So, hindi nila in-acknowledge. It should be credit card. So, ilang lipat na rin namin ng hotels until finally, nakapag-book kami sa Klook. Okay? So, nung nag-book kami sa Klook, nag-okay na, nag-confirm, etc. So, no hassle. So, you can book through Klook yung inyong hotel dito kung wala kayong mga credit cards. Okay? Just don't forget to type our promo code. It's EPLT5 off to avail 5% discount on hotels and other activities here in Taiwan. And of course, don't forget to buy your SIM card. SIM card is located at the left and right of the
And
airport.
sa dulo.
Pagkalabas ninyo ng arrival area. So, SIM card you can also buy through Klook. Of course, don't forget to put our promo code EPLT5 off to avail discounts. So, SIM card mura lang. Parang ganun. 4G is okay kasi parang yung 5G is ano tawag dito? Medyo mas mahal siya. Pero 4G, we got 4G. Okay naman siya. So, nakabuka pala kami sa Green World Hotel. Located sa Ximending. Parang sobrang ganda na location niya kasi tapat lang siya ng Ximending. And then, nasa ilalim niya yung pinakasikat-sikat na Hello Kitty 7-Eleven. And meron dong sikat din na halos araw-araw ang haba ng queuing na sushi, Japanese restaurant na conveyor type na hindi pa natin napupuntahan kasi nga every time we go out, nakikita natin ang haba-haba ng pila. So tomorrow, i-check natin kung sana konti ang queue. Bye guys! Thank you for watching and please abangan ninyo yung mga upcoming videos namin, yung food trip namin, places to visit here, and of course yung budget expenses and a lot more. See you! Bye!